Welcome to Paula's at Christmas time. You know, I can't believe my favorite chairs. And I have lived in this house. We've lived here for 5 hard years. I mean, we've lived here for 5 hard years. I can't wait to share it all with y'all. I think you'll find a few issues that you may want to use even for your own house. Well, that's it, y'all. That's the house. I hope you've enjoyed our little mini tour. I hope you're as You know, there's nothing fun for me. As soon as Don walks in the house, y'all, Don hires my cousin. We're gonna start with a couple of Don hires, and we're gonna beat up Don hires' son.
Me and Jamie and Claudia all work together on these.
They're delicious, too.
They're very good.
Yeah.
But mine are gonna be better.
Well,
because
you're using solid shortening, so.
But mine are gonna be better.
Well.
When it comes to maraschino cherries, mine are gonna be better. That might be the best cider.
With Boyben, it's even better.
I'm just a goner. Really?
Mm-hmm.
Jamie, are you tipsy?
Mm-hmm.
Because these cookies, to me, just scream.
And it always happens.
Y'all got good taste.
Did you ever torture them when they were kids?
You know, Gordon, I did. It's important when you're dropping your cookies onto the baking sheet that you're dropping your cookies onto the baking sheet.
And that's
Look
the
at
way.
that. That's the best one. Let me show y'all how to do this. Well, why don't we go outside?
No, Jamie, no, Bobby, no.
Go outside.
Where are my grandboys?
Hey, y'all.
Where are my grandboys?
Are y'all eating cookies already? Look
Where
at Jack
are
Dean.
my grandboys?
Hey, y'all. Ever seen a guilty
Where
face?
are
That's
my
it.
grandboys?
Are y'all eating cookies already? Look at Jack Dean.
Goodness, where are my grandboys?
Hey, y'all.
Where are my grandboys?
Are y'all eating cookies already? Look at Jack Dean.
Merry Christmas, buddy. I think we're getting ready for a big surprise. What do y'all think it is? Oh, my goodness! It's Santa! Yay, Santa! Do you think it's a car? Oh, my goodness!
Maddie,
A
we will
robot.
share this.
All right, I've got a question to ask all you children. Do y'all believe in magic? Great. So what we're gonna do is count to 3, and we're gonna mash this button. 1, 2, 3.